Why do so many people rave about crypto AI trading bots? It's because they promise to do the one thing humans are notoriously bad at, making objective decisions under pressure. But do they deliver? Well, sometimes. And sometimes they're like trusting a toddler with your stock portfolio. The biggest pain point for most people is how overwhelming the crypto market is. Look, there are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies out there. Imagine trying to manually analyze all those price patterns. That's where these bots really shine. Crypto AI bots use algorithms to digest data nonstop, 24/7. They track trends, monitor charts, and execute trades faster than any human could. Think of them like caffeinated accountants who never take a coffee break. But here's the twist. A bot is only as good as the strategy it follows. If the algorithm doesn't match your goals, it's like having a Ferrari, but driving it in first gear. Fast, but useless. If you're a beginner, you might think, well, great, I'll just let the bot do all the heavy lifting. Wrong move. Pro tip, always understand the logic behind the bot's strategy. Blind trust leads to blind losses. Now, the numbers can be impressive. A well-tuned bot can make gains of 10 to 30% a month in the right conditions. But here's the kicker. The same bot can wipe your portfolio clean if the market flips unexpectedly. Here's the most common rookie mistake: underestimating fees. Some bots pull trades like they're swiping on Tinder, except each trade costs you. Your gains could vanish just covering transaction fees. Another big pain point: setting up the bot. These systems often want API keys, security protocols, and wallet connections. For the uninitiated, it feels less like trading and more like disarming a bomb. A great pick for beginners? Bitsgap. It's user-friendly, supports multiple strategies, and has a demo mode. Using AI in demo mode first is a cheat code. Test your bot in a fake market before going all in. Veterans often swear by 3 commas. Why? Because of its advanced customization. If Bitsgap is the Toyota of bots, 3 commas is more like a Tesla. Sleek but demanding. Rule customization is next-level stuff here. A golden rule? Never leave your bot unsupervised for too long. Sure, they're smart, but markets change fast. Think of your bot like a self-driving car. It can crash if you're not at least glancing at the road. At the end of the day, these bots amplify what you already bring to the table. Their real value? Removing emotion from the equation. The paradox? If you don't learn how the bot works, you end up the emotional wreck.